Today, I'm going to share with you a simple traditional herbal preparation using fresh male papaya flowers. Papaya leaves have also been traditionally used in parts of Asia, including India, especially during dengue outbreaks. Potential benefits: rich in natural antioxidant compounds, help protect cells from oxidative stress, contains beneficial flavonoids and polyphenols, antioxidant activity, and potential antibacterial activity. Oh, look at these two cuties. This is my baby Baxter, and this little one is Brownie, our neighbor's dog. They're both so cute and always love hanging around together. So while I'm picking my herbal flowers, my babies are also enjoying their own little natural treat from the garden. First, I'm going to pick a handful of fresh male papaya flowers directly from the papaya tree. After picking them, I wash the flowers thoroughly with clean water to remove dirt, dust, and anything else that may be on them. Once the flowers are clean, I put them into a clean pot. Then, I add 3 cups of clean water. I'm going to boil the male papaya flowers for about 10 minutes. After boiling, I let the tea cool down a little, and then it is ready to drink. Aside from using the male papaya flowers, I also want to share something that I personally experienced when I was a child. When I was around 10 years old, I had many dark marks and scars on my legs because I used to get a lot of mosquito bites. At that time, my family knew about a traditional home remedy using papaya leaves. What I did was take fresh papaya leaves from the papaya tree. I made sure to use the leaves from the male papaya tree. Then I washed the leaves and started crushing them. I continued crushing and pounding the leaves until they released their natural green juice. Then I applied the fresh papaya leaf juice directly onto the marks on my legs. I used to do this in the morning, before taking a bath. I remembered that it could feel a little itchy, but as a child, I just tolerated the feeling. I continued doing it as part of my traditional home remedy. And now, when I look at my legs, the marks and scars that I had when I was a child are no longer visible the way they used to be. So, this is something I personally experienced. And I wanted to share it with you because traditional herbal knowledge is something that many Filipino families have passed down from one generation to another. So, if you want to try any traditional herbal preparation on your skin, always be careful. Do not apply it to open wounds, infected skin, or severely irritated skin. If you experience strong itching, burning, swelling, redness, or an allergic reaction, stop using it. And remember, natural does not always mean safe for everyone. Back to our papaya flower tea. For this reason, I personally prefer to enjoy this kind of traditional herbal preparation once in a while rather than every day, and it should never replace prescribed medicine or treatment from a healthcare professional. This is simply a traditional herbal preparation that I'm sharing from Filipino tradition and from my own personal experience. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the humble papaya tree. From the flowers to the leaves, this plant has been part of traditional home practices for many generations. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, have you ever used papaya leaves as a traditional home remedy? I would love to hear your family's traditional herbal practices too. God bless, and see you in my next video.